Hey, I'm Rob, the car guy with Kindred Automotive, and have you ever wondered what all of those warning lights are on your dashboard? Today, we're going to be taking a guess at what some of them mean. That is the ugliest helicopter I have ever seen. Oh, the genie lamp. Oh, it's the, what's that bad guy from Lord of the Rings? Sauron. The Eye of Sauron. Was that not, like, the worst villain ever? It's an eye. It's an eyeball. I'm looking at you. Winking robot. Did you drop your keys in the toilet again? Your snake is escaping your trash can. Oh, that's, Back to the Future. Your tires are on fire. The owl's eyes. Your owl is staring at you again. Spaceships landed in the parking lot, and now there's branches in your windshields. Lollipop warning. Sideways rocket ship. Let it go. Let it go. I can't hold it back anymore. Absolutely. Spanish. Seriously? Not one? All right, so I didn't get any of those right. There's so many lights that can pop on a car nowadays, it's really impossible to know what they all mean. There is a simple trick to determine how urgent a light is that comes on, even if you don't recognize the symbol. Pay attention to the color of any warning light you don't recognize. Red is something that's urgent. For example, this could be something that would damage the engine, or could be a safety concern, maybe brakes or an airbag. Yellow is a malfunction, but not something you need to panic about immediately. Think check engine light or low tire pressure. Maybe your snake's escaping. Now, if the light you see is green or blue, that indicates normal operating condition. Headlights, turn signals, maybe your car hasn't reached operating temperature yet. If you don't recognize it and it's not red or yellow, it's not a problem. So use the color to determine whether or not that light is urgent, and then you can look it up and see what it means. We'll even put a link of common warning lights below in the description that you can use as a reference. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with somebody. And if you have any topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below and we'll put them in a future video. I'm Rob the Car Guy. We'll see you next time. You gotta admit, in the movie version, it's an eyeball. It's an eyeball. It's not scary. Oh, I'm looking at you. Ooh, scary. We can agree it was poorly done.
No, it was not poorly done. You did not like it.
It's not scary. Yeah, it's more, but not in the movie. In the movie, it's a freaking eyeball. It was poorly done.